I'd argue there aren't enough technologies available for manufacturing therapies. Some have been around for quite a long period of time, and the advantages of those is they're proven. We know what they do. From a regulatory perspective, it's low risk. What the drawbacks are that some of those technologies weren't really developed for the purpose they're being used for now, and maybe aren't optimal. And that also means they don't always scale particularly easily. And so I think for those technologies, the things that could improve them further are the ability to improve connectivity, data management, and so on. But I think for paradigm shift in manufacturing efficiency, we need new tools, new technologies. There are some interesting things obviously coming out there. Tree Frog obviously got something very exciting in development. And there are other companies out there as well, some interesting acoustic washing technologies, some new transfection technologies out there, which are looking quite exciting. But I think to get those technologies to where they need to be, it's going to have to be a collaborative approach. In the industry, we're going to have to work together and get excited by technologies and not wait for somebody else to try it first, because someone's got to be first. And I think working collaboratively to understand more about technologies, how they can be implemented safely, having working groups to really look at the new tools available, and make sure they can be connected from fluidic perspectives and from data again. I think would be a great way to, across the industry, enable the integration of them.